All right, welcome young wizards and future authors to this magical explainer. Today, we're doing something super exciting. We are setting the stage for a storybook adventure right on your computer screen. We're going to journey straight into the fascinating realm of the blank page and discover exactly how to fill it up with absolute wonders. So you might be wondering, are you ready to turn a boring blank page into a colorful adventure? Because let's face it, a completely white blank piece of paper on your screen can look kind of lonely, right? But what if I told you that you have a literal magical toolbox right at your fingertips? Are you ready to use those tools to bring your brilliant ideas to life? I know you are. Well, meet the brave young hero of our story. Honestly, this explorer looks a whole lot like you, sitting there at your computer, hands on the keyboard, with a big smile and a head just full of imagination. You are totally ready to create some digital magic. Okay, let's dive into this. Every great wizard needs to know their spells. And in Microsoft Word, our spells are called objects. But what exactly are they? Well, objects are things you can add to your Word page. We're talking pictures, shapes, you name it. Just imagine being able to magically drop a picture of a puppy or maybe a giant blue star right in the middle of your sentences. And why do we use them? Because they help make your work colorful and easy to understand. When you add these objects, your story literally pops off the page. It's absolutely crucial for keeping your readers excited and bringing any tale you want to tell completely to life. Number 1, open your document. Number 2, click the Insert tab at the top. It really is that easy. To unlock this power, you just take your mouse, point it to the very top of your screen, and click. And this brilliantly illustrates what happens next. A magical ribbon just appears right across the top. Think of this ribbon as your treasure map. This is where all of your special tools live, just waiting for you to pick them up and use them. All right, let's look at the very first tool on our map, the picture tool. You'll spot it by the little icon of a sun over some mountains. Clicking this lets you grab photos that are already saved straight from your own computer's backpack. It's absolutely perfect for adding a photo of your pet or a drawing you saved earlier. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it compares to the online picture tool. See that little blue globe sitting right on top? That globe is your biggest clue. It uses magic to summon images from the great wide world of the internet. You can search for almost anything you can possibly imagine. Let's move to and see how this builds into a whole team of fantastic helpers. First up, that blue grid is a table, which is perfect for organizing your potion ingredients into neat rows. Above that, we've got shapes to help you draw things like magical shields or castles. Those colorful blocks, that's a chart, doing math magic to show information, like a bar graph of everyone's favorite ice cream. And finally, that green arrow is smart art, which helps you build super cool, colorful diagrams for your quests. But hey, what if you want your actual words to do tricks? That's where you cast some spelling spells with the text box and word art. The text box lets you draw a little square anywhere on the page and just type inside it. But word art, represented by that big tilted blue A, lets you make your letters huge, bouncy, and super colorful. It's a real game changer. So once your page is full of words and pictures, you want it to look totally complete, right? Enter page borders. This tool puts a beautiful, magical frame around your entire masterpiece. It's exactly like putting a fancy picture frame around a painting in your very own art gallery. So the crucial point here is, do you see the big red X over the clip art button? That's the forbidden clip art. Older versions of Word use this, but honestly, we don't need it anymore because we have online pictures. And hey, if you ever click the wrong button by accident, no worries at all. Mistakes are super easily fixed. Just press the magical undo arrow at the very top of your screen or use the delete key on your keyboard and poof, the mistake is gone. Quiz time! Which tool uses the globe icon to find pictures on the internet? All right, young wizards, let's pause for a little fun and see if you actually remember your new magical powers. Take a guess. Online pictures. If you said that, you are absolutely correct. Excellent wizardry skills. Your memory is seriously as sharp as a tack. You definitely know the difference between grabbing a picture from your computer's backpack and exploring the globe. Okay, here is your grand quest. Number 1, insert a shape. Number 2, add an online picture. Number 3, make a text box. And 4, put a page border around the whole shebang. I challenge you to a creative project using all the super fun objects you just learned about to complete this mission. When you put all those tools together, you get a magical masterpiece. Just look at this colorful page. It's got a beautiful picture of a sun rising over the mountains, a green text box, and even a big, happy, smiling yellow star shape. This is exactly the kind of storybook creation you can make. So, what magical masterpiece will you create today? You've got the treasure map, you know all the spells, and you've met all your magical helpers on the Insert tab. So my adventurous friends, I leave you with this. Go open up your document, start clicking, and let your imagination run absolutely wild.